Tired of complicated live streaming setups? It doesn't have to be. Deliver professional grade streams without the high cost. Switcher has helped over 13,000 streamers elevate their broadcasts. Switcher is your portable video production hub. Use your iPad or iPhone to connect cameras, switch angles, and add overlays in real time. It's like carrying a broadcast truck everywhere. Starting is easy, just grab mobile devices, ensure stable internet, and use an external microphone. Optional tripods can help. That's all you need. Why stick to one angle? Multi-camera streams engage your audience and tell dynamic stories. Switcher lets you use old phones for multiple views affordably. Switcher enables multi-platform streaming for everyone, from churches to schools. Ministries can stream services with multiple angles and high-quality audio without extra costs. Don't overlook internet stability and audio quality. Strong Wi-Fi is essential. Check your upload speed and invest in external mics for great sound. Enhance your stream with graphics and overlays live. Want an intro video, or name titles? With Switcher, it's seamless. Save your broadcasts for editing or repurposing. Share them on YouTube or Facebook to grow your content library easily. Anyone can become a live streaming pro with Switcher. Forget the extravagant setups, mobile devices and creativity are all you need. Ready to transform your live video experience? Start your 14-day free trial of Switcher today. Discover how easy live streaming can be.